You also have a button here, and it is BMW Intelligent Safety. It's kind of like a quick access menu to this. So I'm going to press it again. BMW Intelligent Safety, and it says all on. And you can see all of the safety features are on. I'm turning the dial right now. That is down on the iDrive. And then you can go configure individual, and this will show you the individual features that are included in the Intelligent Safety system. Forward collision mitigation, and it says early because it is set to detect something early in order to keep you safe and the outside person safe as well. Lane departure warning is set for early, and you can actually change that to medium, reduced, or even off. Steering intervention, and then active blind spot detection. I like that, and I've used that a couple of times, and that just basically shows you, like the icon here is showing you, is whenever something is in your blind spot, this system will let you know. So that is that button there.